Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning. Ay, Liz, handa na bang lahat para sa meeting?
Ihahabol na lang daw ibang kopya mamaya. Kasi nag-brownout kahapon eh. Hindi agad natapos.
O sige, basta sabihin mo tapusin nila in 30 minutes, ha?
Opo, ma'am.
Liz, 30 minutes kay may brownout kay wala, ha?
Yes, ma'am.
Liz, coffee please. Thank you.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
sira hong coffee maker natin eh.
Sira?
Mm,
Wala siyang karapatang masira. I mean, look, how can I work without my coffee? Liz naman.
Huwag ho kayo mag-alala, ma'am. In-report ko na ho sa property kanina. A-actionan na raw ho nila.
Kailan?
After 1 week daw ho, paglakad ng mga papeles. Actually, hinanda ko ng report. Pipirmahan nyo na lang.
Isang linggo para sa isang stupidong coffee maker? Anong klaseng opisina to? Ayoko na makipagtalo, ha? Ayoko na! Etong gawin mo. Ipakumpuni mo yan ngayon din. Ikaw nang bahalang maghanap ng mag-aayos at ako nang magbabayad, ha? Basta pagbalik ko, I want my coffee, okay?
Opo, ma'am. Ngayon din po.
Thank you.
Well, seriously, I don't think they can do it. They simply don't have the reach for it. Not at this point. Well, any further discussion? At saka na lang natin pag-usapan yung annual director's ball natin. Okay?
Well, okay.
Or maybe we can spare a few minutes to Miss Yaptenko here. O, ano pang re-report mo, Carol? Dito ka sa harapan ni...
It's a mock-up of our annual report, sir.
Uh-huh.
You asked us to prepare alternative covers for you to choose from.
Go ahead. Siya nga pala, meron kong idadagdag na agenda for the next meeting. Kailan nga ba yung next scheduled meeting natin?
The shipping industry, gentlemen, is in a crisis.
Nanding,
Very
well,
formal,
first thing in the
very
morning,
traditional.
Nanding.
Excuse me.
There's
Yes,
a special request from CCP for an opera.
New York Ballet is interested. We can do
Now
it
I
in 2
want to
months.
project an
but we can't
image of
afford.
Vergara and Associates as a
Okay.
survivor.
Raven,
And
be sure
an
to take care of
unsinkable ship
distribution
that
to all
can
the
sail in
departments.
Yes,
any
it's
That's
weather.
what I was telling you about. All right?
Yes, yes.
Good.
And
August,
I,
send your
as
phones for the
the
officers.
head of
Don't
the
forget.
editorial department,
All right.
think that this particular design
Boss, saan Manila ka magpunta?
projects the most
Nandun.
dynamic
Yes, don't
image
forget
for
a ticket.
Vergara and
Oh,
Associates.
for the concert.
Medyo mahal
All
lang.
right.
Oh, pero
Masyado naman yatang bold ang kulay niyan, di ba? Parang coloring book.
But sir,
Excuse me. Excuse me, gentlemen. I believe what Miss Yevtenko is trying to say here is that we precisely need to project youth, growth, something that spells dynamism. In other words, we can still be fiscally conservative at the same time forward-looking.
Teka muna, mukhang may point dito si Mike.
Yeah. You got a point.
Iba nga mag-isip itong si Mike. Basta't ganyan ang junior executives natin, this company will be number 1.
What's the matter with you? Inaprubahan ng big boss yung concept mo. Sinuportahan pa kita. Ikaw pa tong galit. Don't you know I took a big risk in opening my mouth?
ipaliwanag mo nga sa akin ha, simple lang ito. Bakit pag ako nagsasalita, no one takes me seriously, pero pag ikaw at pareho rin naman ang sinasabi mo, aba, milagro approve silang lahat. Bakit? Dahil ba sa babae lang ako sa tingin nila, ha?
Carol, alam mo, you're just imagining things.
Anong ima-imagine? Bakit? Katahang isip ko lang ba yung nangyari dong kanina? Why imagine?
I don't know why do you have to take everything personally?
At bakit naman hindi ko pe-personalin? Mukha ko trabaho ko yung nakasalang dong kanina. I'm going to prove myself, Mike. Makikita nila. At makikita mo rin.
Okay. Oops. Siya nga pala, may lunch pa pala ako. If you'll excuse me.
Ikaw, ano problema mo?
Eh, kailangan akong palitan ng heating element nito. Riniwire ko na,
Tapos ka
pero...
na ba?
Oo, tapos na ho.
O, pues sa akin ang singil mo at mabayaran na kita. $400? Para lang ang ginawa mo, 400 na?
May pinalitan ho akong pyesa. Mahirap ho na trabaho. Home service pa ho ito. At magaling ako. Garantisado ang trabaho.
O, maghintay ka dyan at gagawa ko ng tseke. Ano nga pangalan mo?
Tonchi Aureus, at your service, ma'am.
All-around engineering and repair service. Ano naman ang ibig sabihin yan? Ano ba nahanap to?
Isa lang kung pwede sa biglaan, mami.
Kahit na kailan, kahit na saan. Kaya ko. Maging kotse man yan, refrigerator, TV, stereo, miski hukalan. Alam mo kasi ninyo, ako mahilig akong magbutingting. Mga likot. Basta't sirain lang ho ninyo, ayusin ko.
Hindi ko sinira yan. Sinira niya sarili niya.
Papa! 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 Nasira yung dal ko. Ayoko ng bago. Gusto ko sa kanya. O yan, sabi mo, lahat kaya mong gawin.
Oo, anak, kaya ko to. Papahiya na nga ako eh. Oh, huwag ka na iiyak. Mas lalong natataranta ang papa mo niyan eh, ha? Oh, alam ko na. Kato, kunin mo yung all-purpose oil, ha? Alam ba itsura nun? Yung may berde at yung may pula, ha?
Ay, pampadulas.
Naku, very good ang baby ko. Yan ang baby kong may pakinabang. Oh, sige na, kunin mo na. Mwah!
Oh, ito.
Yun. Naman pala eh. Ay, ito mo to ah. Oh, ito mo. Okay na, wala na. Huwag na umiyak. Tanggalin natin to. Yan. Ito mo to ah. Oh, gumagana na siya. Oh, gumagalaw na siya. Ayos na. Tapos na.
Aba, sinay ka. Tonchi!